Hello YouTube, this is Mrjikser back again with another video. Hey guys, so I just received some packages off Royal Mail today and I just want to open them up. Let's get started with the first one. It's a big box, as you can see. I don't know what one is. Yeah, everything I get off online is on eBay. So far I've won Philips Hue Personal Wireless Lighting White Starter Kit E27 Warm White. Automate your lights for easy control and comfort. As you can see. Open it up. It's not the starter kit, it's just 2 light bulbs. One second. Philips Hue. Got some spare ones. As you can see over there, there's the lamp that can fit in these Hue light bulbs. Philips Hue light bulbs. With that lamp right there. I've already got one in there. So this is just spares for that lamp. And if I buy other lamps, I got spare ones. Brand new. But they've just been used a few times. And there is no Philips Hue hub. It's just the light bulbs. That's the first package. Second package. Let's hide the addresses. Let's open it up. I'm feeling it's going to be another Philips Hue bulb. I did buy a few of them. Just telling you. This one's brand new. And it's the same one. I bought a few of them. Because when that one goes out, I got a spare one. It's brand new sealed. See? Philips Hue Personal Wireless Lighting White Single Bulb E27 Warm White. Nice and bright. That's the second one. The next one. Philips Hue Personal Wireless Lighting White Extension Cable. Extension bulb, I mean. And this one's brand new, sealed. Concentrate. Autofocus. Sealed, see? That's the third one. Now the fourth one. The big daddy one. Let's open it up. This costs $5.50. Postage cost. Yes, it came. Beautiful. Here's the charger. And here's the netbook. It's a purple one. Samsung. It's like brand new, but it's been used. It's nice and small. It's purple. This is the Samsung NC 11 1100. $1110. Let's open it up. That's beautiful, that is. As you can see. I'm going to turn it on in the next video. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and see you in the next video. Peace!